Isn't multivariate testing just running several A/B tests at a time? No, that is one of the most popular myths about MVT. It is much more nuanced than that. Unlike A/B tests that compare one change at a time, multivariate tests evaluate multiple variables and their combinations simultaneously. It's an efficient way for high-traffic sites to find the combination of changes that performs the best. Knowing when to use MVT over A/B testing, how it differs from ABN testing, and what it takes to run a reliable test can help you optimize smarter and scale your experimentation program with confidence. Hi, I'm Kamel, and welcome back to the Convert YouTube channel, where we talk all things CRO and experimentation. Multivariate testing is a technique for testing multiple variables on a web page in different combinations to find out which combination produces the best results. Unlike A/B testing or split testing, which compares just one change at a time, multivariate testing allows you to experiment with several changes simultaneously and measure how they perform together. The purpose isn't only to find the best version of an individual element, but also to understand how changes to multiple elements interact to influence user behavior. Multivariate testing is similar to ABN testing because you are testing two or more variations against the control, but the difference is ABN tests are univariable, testing one element per test. MVT tests explore combinations of multiple elements at the same time. MVT is not the same as concurrent testing. Concurrent testing runs multiple unrelated experiments on the same audience, aiming to answer different questions at once. This approach can muddle insights and skew data. In contrast, MVT keeps the hypothesis focused. You're still asking one unified question, just testing several combinations to answer it. Multivariate testing versus A/B testing. How do you choose? Well, take a look at this image right here. How to run a multivariate test without wasting traffic. Running multivariate tests can drive significant insights, but only if they're structured well and managed with care. Follow these 7 steps to get accurate results without wasting traffic. Define a focused hypothesis. Start with a clear question to keep your test grounded, such as, will changing the headline, image, and CTA together increase free trial signups? Use our hypothesis generator linked in the description to get started. Choose high-impact elements to test. Select 2 or 3 elements that directly influence conversions, such as headlines, hero images, CTAs, or supporting copy. Let Convert build the combinations. Using a full factorial test design, Convert automatically creates all possible combinations. For example, 2 headlines times 2 images times 2 buttons equals 8 unique variants. Create variations using Convert's editor. Make content changes without code using the visual editor, or switch to JavaScript mode to build logic-driven or dynamic variations. Use our guide on how to create multivariate tests in Convert. Set smart audience targeting rules. Avoid traffic dilution by targeting the right users. Convert lets you segment by location, device type, returning or new users, UTM parameters, and more. Run quality checks before launch. Preview every combination, confirm all goals fire correctly, and ensure scripts don't interfere with tracking. This step protects your data and user experience. Monitor performance with live logs. Use live logs to track which combinations are being served, which users qualify, and how your test behaves in real time. Multivariate testing helps you understand how elements work together to improve conversions. With the right traffic and a clear hypothesis, you can test smarter and make confident, data-driven decisions. To learn how to make the most of your multivariate testing, read What is Multivariate Testing? Our complete 2025 guide by Uwem Usa and Mayun Kadwal on the Convert blog.